Hey guys! In this lesson, I'm going to be covering the question, how are you? And the verb to be. You have most likely heard of the question, how are you and how are you doing many times. Because it is such a simple and common question, knowing how to respond is very important. Also, because there are many ways of doing it. First, let's look at a classic example conversation using this phrase. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. And you? I'm well, thank you. Here, person A is using the question, how are you, as a standard greeting. It is customary to respond, but not always necessary. You can respond in many ways that actually mean the same. You can say, I am well. I am well. I'm fine. I am fine. Good. Not bad. And you can return the question, how are you, in many ways. I'm well, thank you. And you? Or how about you? Or you? How are you and how are you doing basically mean the same thing, and both are commonly used. But if you want to be a little bit more casual, maybe you're talking to a friend, you can use, how's it going? How is everything? How are things? How are you doing? What's up? What's new? These are mostly used in between teenagers and young people. And you can respond by saying, not much, or pretty good. You may have noticed that up until now, most of the responses to how are you tend to be positive. But you can also be more specific. For example, how are you? Not so good. I am very stressed. Or not good. I'm tired. Or not so good. I am upset. And then there are other times when you aren't good nor bad. You are okay. And you can answer by saying so, which means not too good and not too bad. Or you can say same old, which means nothing exciting is happening. Now remember, in the beginning, you should only learn one way of saying it, but you should know and understand the other ones. With time, you will learn and use most of them. For the second part of this lesson, we will learn the verb to be. This is the most important verb in the English language. Most languages have two verbs, so no complaints here. Please repeat after me. I am Gala. You are tall. He is short. She is pretty. It is late. We are happy. You are tired. They are married. Good job. Please remember that this verb is very important and you will use it all the time. So you have to memorize it. Okay, guys, that is it for this lesson. Remember that you can re-watch this video as many times as you need and that you can find this lesson on my website at justteenager.com or in the description box down below. I will see you guys next time. Bye!